Right, I'm Eddie Beeston, aka the Beast. I'm here representing Gnarly Cycles. I'm just going to talk you through my beast of a bike. Obviously, first inspection you can see orange spec with matte acid wash colour frame. So I've got a friend called Matt. He's on acid and he don't really wash. The orange is because, well, I'm ginger and I just flow with the bike. Pretty sick really, but you know, pros these days don't really do that because they're gay. Same here, but I look cool when I'm doing it. Let's talk you through from front end to the back. We'll start with the frame. It's an Eastern Night Tramp 20.5 full chromo frame with removable brake hardware. I don't ride brakeless because I'm fearless, I'm Ed, and I'm from Edford. Just how we do things. Got the forks, Stolen Vortex chromo forks in orange. You can see the little vortex there. I like to think of it looks like a tornado. So I'm a demon on my my little bike here. Pretty sick. Go for the wheels next. Stolen roulette wheels, roulette hubs, roulette rims. Got my black spokes. Not quite butted. I'd say they're 1.8 inch, 1.8 mil thick. Just aerodynamic capability through, you know, flare, doing my hair. Dressed as a bear. Pretty mint. Got my bars, stolen cell bars. Also, cell block bars, heat treated chromo with 9 times butted, 10 degrees back, 2 degrees up, 8.25 inch rise. Obviously, you can see the orange again. I got these sent to me by Stolen, represented by Gnarly Cycles. Check out their website, gnarlycycles.co.uk. You can see that, pretty mint. Then we've got the blank value cranks. Stolen 25 tooth chainring. With it goes well with the 8 tooth driver in the rear. So I like my gearing hard. That's how I do things. My chain white. Not sure what the chain is, but pretty mint. Tension nice. That's how I like it. Pretty sick. Then we'll go back up to the front end. Got a Stolen convict top loader stem with my lucky 8 ball right there. Webby thinks he's cool with his ladybug. 8 ball's better, man. He's gay. I like the convict TL stem because it's light, durable, takes my weight. You can take a 13 stone rider. It's doing well. I like Stolen parts. We go back to the pedals. Blank pedals, very grippy, fully sealed. Pretty mint. I like them because the white match my t-shirt, to be honest. And then we've got the Diamondback digital seat. It's pivotal, as you can see the little tab in there. Diamondback weren't the best. Diamondback weren't the best now, but back in the day they were the original BMX standards, so pretty demon. Then we go on to the tyres. Everyone needs tyres because you can't run on rims. Nice, man. They're the Jura X Performers. Works well with me. I like to think I'm a performer, but a lot of ex-girlfriends not very happy with me. Don't look my name up on internet because well, I know what you see. Trust me, sounds bad if you see that. To lube everything, my bearings. I absolutely love my bearings, as people will know. I love my grease. Love GT85. Smells nice. Runs well with my bike. You can see it's just rated on, good for ages. Don't need to wipe it off, just PTFE grease. Like I said, it smells nice. I use it when I go out, my girlfriend loves it. Makes her go mental. So, yet again, Stolen grips, nice. Not lock-ons, just in case I scratch my P2 bars. I like using Stolen kit because I'm from Edford. I'm a thief, works well, and that's it. That's my full bike spec. Catch you later, man.